Well, where do you see the agent's role going forward? I know that there's some agents that think, hey, it's the end of the world. There's not going to be agents in 3 years.
No, it's too complicated.
Hold up.
Yeah.
Especially commercial lines. It's just, I mean, what was funny when I was president at Insurance Journal, we had our own insurance agency that we worked with, and once a year he'd come down and meet with me, and he'd get so frustrated because he just assumed that I knew all of these different insurance components and definitions and things, and I didn't know what he was talking about, and he thought I should, but the agent plays such an important role in this risk, the concept of risk management.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you've got to understand the policy language. You have to understand the exclusions that apply. If you don't, you're not doing your customer the service that they deserve, especially with commercial lines and how complicated it can be. I mean, you're people's financial welfare hangs in the balance if you don't do it right.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's amazing how some of the carriers have mismanaged the perception of what insurance really is to the consumer, because the message over and over, and especially in P&C, I think that in the commercial side, the client's a little bit more sophisticated and has an understanding of what's at risk.
Right.
But in the consumer, in the consumer space, in the home and auto, you have companies that it's all about getting the cheapest deal. And I say cheapest, not lowest, the cheapest, right?
Yeah.
They
and we all
that.
know who they are. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
But this is my selling point. You're not going to spend any time. I won't quantify it as 15 minutes, but you're not going to spend any time, and it's going to save you money by doing it. And it's like, if that's your selling point, then what the hell are you selling? You're selling air, right? So I think and that's part of our job, right? Is to shift the mind of that consumer, which can be troubling sometimes. It can be hard, especially for new agents that are young and that you're coaching, because they come with this perception too. And so, it's an uphill battle. We have to constantly go against that message.
This is not old news. I mean, when I first started in the insurance industry and started paying attention to the automation and the internet, everyone was saying that the day of the agent's over. This is all going to move online. It didn't. It's not going to.
Yeah.
And I got to tell you, I was so proud to be part of the industry during the Great Recession, when some of the other financial institutions inside, our country and our financial system did us all a disservice. The insurance industry, for the most part, didn't get involved in that and helped us maintain our integrity and our unique economy, which helped us come out of it. I was really proud to be a part of it.